Good morning friends, myself Niranjan Nayak. Welcome to our channel Quest. Today is 13th February. Today we shall recall some of the memorable events happened on this day in history in form of questionnaires. Friends who are watching the channel first time, please click the red subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications of our videos. Let's start today's session of questionnaires. Question number 1. Who is Viceroy of India inaugurated New Delhi as new capital of India on this day in 1931? Answer. Lord Irwin. India's previous capital, Kolkata, was shifted to New Delhi in 1911. But New Delhi became official capital of India on this day in 1931. Question number 2. Who became Mughal Emperor of India on this day in 1713 after he murdered Jahandar Shah? Answer. Farrukh Shah. He also captured Red Fort on this day. Question number 3. Who is Indian political activist and poet born on this day in 1879 had yearned to subrogate the Nightingale of India by Mahatma Gandhi? Answer. Sarojini Naidu. She was the first governor of United Province. Her poetry collections were Golden Threshold, Word of Time and Broken Wings, which made her popular in the field of poetry. The Feather of the Dawn was her last poetry, which was posthumously published by her daughter Padmaja Naidu. Question number 4. Who is Indian Urdu poet died in 2012 is best known for his lyrics in Hindi film Gaman and Umrao Jan, directed by Muzaffar Ali, who retired as the head of Urdu department in Aligarh Muslim University? Answer. Shehryar. His original name was Akhlaq Muhammad Khan. Question number 5. Who had received Dada Saheb Phalke Award for 2001 by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam on this day in 49th National Film Awards function held at Vigyan Bhavan in 2003? Answer. Yash Chopra. Question number 6. Who was a Pakistani poet and author in Urdu and Punjabi born on this day in 1991? Had served in British Indian Army and after Pakistan's independence he became the editor of Pakistan Times and was awarded Lenin Peace Prize in 1962. Answer. Faiz Ahmad Faiz. Question number 7. Which Italian astronomer was produced in court of Rome to begin the trial for his belief that the earth revolves around the sun, which was deemed heretical by the Catholic Church? Answer. Galileo Galilei. Question number 8. Which day is observed as World Radio Day as decided by UNESCO on 3rd November 2011 during its 36th conference? Answer. 13th February. It was observed first on 2012. At University of Pisa in Italy, a public event was held on 13th February 2012 to commemorate World Radio Day. Question number 9. Which year on this day Baseball Negro National League established? Answer. 1920. Question number 10. Which rocket was launched by European Space Agency from Europe's spaceport in Kourou, French Guiana? Answer. Vega. Friends, thanks for viewing this video. If you feel the video is useful, then comment, like, share and subscribe.